Alright, Beef Wellington a la Gordon Ramsay. Let's do this. It's all nicely seasoned. I'm just going to sear it up. And once that's all nicely browned, I'm just going to remove it. And then I'm going to brush it with a bit of mustard, and then I'm going to refrigerate for 20 minutes. And now we chill this for 40 minutes. Now we bake for 30 minutes. Alrighty. Ooh. Boom. How's that for a Beef Wellington? And here we go. Mashed potato, red wine jus, and this Beef Wellington a la Gordon Ramsay. Shall we cut into it? And how is that for a Beef Wellington?